let's take a look at that same example we just messed around with. Only I want to do it slightly different this time. It's the same thing. I'm going to let's see here. Let's draw this again because our rectangular or triangular region looked like this. This was line y equals 3. This was y equals x plus 1. This was y equals a negative x plus 1. And here's x equals 2, negative 2, and here's x equals 2. Now, notice that I can do this as a type 1 region, but there's an issue right here because this is not a smooth curve. So what I really need to do is I need to break this down. I'm going to think of this as region 1 and this piece as region 2. So that tells me when I set out my integral, the way I want to do this is that first I'm going to do a double integral over region 1 of f of xy, and this time it'll be dy dx, plus my double integral over region 2 of f of xy, again dy dx. So when I set that up, for this first region, this first integral is, oops, that's a negative 2, it's got to be from negative 2 to 0. Then the next one is got to be from negative x plus 1 to 3, because that's in this direction. And then, of course, it's just 2x minus y squared. And this is going to be dy dx. But then I'm going to add that to this next piece over here, over region 2, which will take me on x from 0 to 2. And then from x plus 1 to 3 of 2x minus y squared dy dx. So I'll have two integrals to evaluate. And when I do, I should get that same answer I did before, which was negative 68 over 3. So rather than integrating this now, I'm going to let you handle that. And instead, I'm going to jump to Maple and just demonstrate how you could use Maple to check your answers. So for region 1, I'm going to tell Maple to integrate. And that function was 2x minus y squared. Now, my first integral, my first region was dy. So I need to tell it y equals a negative x plus 1 to 3. And then, and then I need to tell it that x was negative 2 to 0. Matter of fact, I'm going to come back over here, and I'm going to call this R1. So it's negative 14. So R2 is going to equal, I'm going to cheat a little bit here. I'm just going to copy and paste this. Only this time my bounds are going to be changing. This needs to be from x, positive x, to 1, x plus 1, all the way to 3. And then x needs to be from 0 to 2. And then I'm just going to tell it take R1 and add it to R2. And there's my 68 over negative 3. Now, obviously, I could have simply done it all in one line if I wanted to. If I copy all of this, and I'm going to say plus, paste it all back in, and get rid of this R1 here. There's the whole thing, and there's the answer. So Maple's kind of nice. It can do a lot for us. Just don't depend on it. Use it as a nice aid to help you figure stuff out or help verify your work. Don't use it as a crutch.